And now let's go a little further with create table syntax. And so in the SQL Language Reference Manual, PQRS, see we've highlighted it already. Let's go back to create table. And let's continue. And we'll go down into relational properties. We have physical properties. There's a lot of objects, and here's the relational stuff again. So what I'm actually going to concentrate on in this course is how to create a basic table, how to create a global temporary table, how to create a basic relational table with or without a schema name, how to create a table with relational properties and physical properties and table properties, and let's just go down to each of those. How to create tables with relational properties, as in column definitions, both in and out of line constraints, the details of the column definition, the column, the data type, a default expression, and an inline constraint. We're not going to worry about virtual column definitions. We're not going to worry about any encryption. It's too advanced. Object properties, not interested in that. Physical properties, segment attributes, table compression, organization, heap index or external. Organization index is how you create an indexed or an index organized table. External is obviously how you create an external table. Heap is the default, which is a regular table. Cluster is how you create a cluster. We've got various issues with segment creation, which I don't think is important to this course. Table spaces, physical attributes, logging. You can turn logging off. You typically do that in a data warehouse to make things faster. Physical attributes is percentage free, percentage use, init trans, storage clause. This stuff can still be defined. However, the last time that I fiddled with these attributes to make things faster in Oracle was in Oracle 8. About 15 years ago, so I wouldn't touch it. Basic table compression, either no compress or compress. You can compress data as it goes into an Oracle table. The trouble is when you read it, it's slower because you've got to decompress it. And here we have table properties, column properties. Table partitioning is important for data warehouses particularly, but can also be used in regular OLTP databases. Flashback we will look at briefly. The other stuff is not really important to this course. As you can see, there's a lot of information in syntax diagrams. Nested tables. This is actually an object table, what I was talking about, burying an object table definition inside another table. We will probably not look at that in this course in detail, as in detailing the syntax. Storing as returned. This is V-arrays, this is all going into PLSQL and lobs. Lob is a binary object stored into a table. Again, it's a little bit too complex for this course. The details of a lob parameter, you can take a lob object and store it in a different table space to where the table stores data. This is far too much here. Logging and no logging, switch logging on and off. Basic compression for lobs. Partitions. Partitioning is complicated. This is lob partition storage. Same as a table. XML. There's so much information in here. Flashback to archives. No flashback to archive. Again, basic compression, key compression, including. No, this is too complex for this course. Groupings, data. Okay, and here's partitioning. Partitioning is complicated. I will show you some basic scripts later on, rather than actually show you how to build the partitions from these syntax diagrams. Subpartitions, partitions, subpartitions. as you can see, there's a huge amount of complexity for a simple create table statement. That's the syntax for create table. Daunting, is it not? We will not cover anywhere near all that information. It's just no point. That level of complexity goes into advanced Oracle courses, not this course.